Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, February 20th. We're in the cold frame seeing if there's anything else we want to succession plant. I've got the itch. I really want to start planting. We're going to have a snowstorm Thursday and Friday this week. So I really kind of took the day off as far as any labor. That's what I want to talk to you about. This week alone I was asked 3 different times if I do soil tests. No, I do a deep mulch garden. The deep mulch garden is concerned with the life in the soil, not the 3 numbers on a fertilizer bag. Your plants are going to need 42 different minerals, and I'm not going to do a test that might or might not give me an accurate reading on what those 42 are. It's coming towards the end of February, and I still have a lot of things growing in the garden, and it has nothing to do with those 3 numbers. It has to do with the life in the soil. How do you protect the life in the soil? You feed it. How do you feed it? You just lay organic matter over the top. Oh yeah, and that's all the work you have to do for this kind of gardening. You either use leaves, grass, hay, shredded up paper, wood chips, any organic matter. You do a little compost out of your scraps in the kitchen, you just mix it all together and just lay it on top. At the end of the season when you're cleaning things up, you just cut and drop. Just pull it down, chop it up and add it to the mulch. That's all you got to do. It's that simple. It really does work. When you take care of the life in the soil takes care of your plants. It is hard to break habits. You can go ahead and till if you want to, but that's just going to destroy the life you need to help your garden. You can do a soil test if you want to. It's your money. If you want to save some money and have a better garden, those lawn clippings that you bag up and have to pay to haul off, put them on your garden. The leaves that you have to rake up and haul off, put them on your garden. I'll bet there's a town near you that has a mulch area that'll let you take that mulch for free. Put it on your garden. That's all you got to do. It's pretty simple. So no, I don't do a soil test. Just look at this garden, and I didn't do anything. I'm not telling you what to do. It's your garden. You know, I thought folks might be interested. One of our garlic's already coming up. You can do this too, and it doesn't take very much effort. I just didn't want to weed anymore, and I thought you might be interested. Well, I'm glad you stopped by and took another look at why I do a no-till garden. Till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.